So this is my Neewer shutter release for my Nikon. As Neewer sometimes does, they sent me a rebranded one, but it is the exact same device. This is extremely handy to get the shutter off of the camera and into your hand. It takes two AAA batteries. It attaches to your camera using this cable. On my camera, I simply open this flap and stick it in right there. I can continue using the camera normally if I want to. Or now I can use this shutter release button and it'll also take a picture. So just like if I were to hold the shutter release on my camera, I could also hold the shutter release on this button. Or if I don't want to continually hold the button, I could push the button in and slide this slider up and it will continue to hold it for me. Pretty cool. And then you can start setting all these different settings here. You have a delay between shots, you have an exposure setting, and interval shooting as well. You can click this button to illuminate the screen a little bit. You can cycle through your settings here to see what they're all set at. Right now I have a delay of 0, exposure of 1 second, interval of 1 second, and when you're ready to start shooting with those settings, you simply press the start button. To change any of these settings, you're going to hit the set button. There's a bar there showing which setting that you're changing, and you can cycle through those using the arrow keys. And the up keys then to change the various settings. It's really easy to use. Oh, and you can also lock the settings by holding this lock button. The L will appear there. That way you don't accidentally change any settings that you don't want to change. Of course, if you want to change the settings, you need to unlock it. It's definitely a great tool for your arsenal. You can use it to do all kinds of things ranging from stop motion or time lapse or other things too, depending on your creativity. Definitely a great tool to have for any photographer. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.